My name's John Erickson, and I'm reading for the role of Dave.
Thanks, but like, I really don't do shots.
He bought them, though.
You sure? Ah, what the hell?
You gotta man up. It's the fucking weekend. Woo!
Anyway, it's Saturday.
Yeah, Lex, you'll be fine by Monday. What time do you normally have to roll into the office?
Well, I'm off this week in between temping jobs.
Damn! Well, I hope you're making the most of your little vacay.
Trying to write and like stay productive, you know?
Totally. My next vacation, I think I'm gonna go on another cruise.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Really? I've never been on one.
Oh, you gotta check them out. Lex, what about you?
Never have.
They are the best. Like, don't do one of those old people ones. They're just like, I don't know, fucking retirement homes on the sea.
Right.
But one full of people our age,
Ah, so you can select for that?
yeah, you def can.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, it ends up being like a whole floating city.
Wow. Sounds chill.
Well, it really is. Like, honestly, not even that expensive.
I'm in.
The club scene is really no joke. I was on one, and wait, Lex, you're cool, right?
Yeah.
We were fucking rolling. Like our faces just melting off that Molly.
Oh, that's fun. You can get drugs on the ship?
Yeah, there's like this little black market for them. Just like the real city.
That's cool.
Rolling on a boat, man. Does it get better than that?
Sounds fun. I've never done Molly.
Oh, it really is the best. The only drug that, like, everyone should do. I've never heard a bad review.
It's good. Dope.
We'll go out some weekend.
Cool. I've done coke a few times.
Yeah, blow's fun enough.
You guys getting some coke?
I knew there was a reason I liked you, Lex.
You got a guy close? Wait, tonight?
I could maybe figure something out.
Maybe. That's what I'm talking about.
I'll send a text or two.
I like it.
You alright?
Yeah, sorry. I'm used to a higher class of hedonism, I guess.
Okay.